If this was bad, I'm just gonna say God help that classical with the more contemporary. Oh, gorgeous. Not what I was expecting at all, but I'm intrigued. Oh, smack me in my face, because oh my goodness. This is too good. Thank you, Gwyneth. Hello, how are you today? I've been better. I'm just back from Prague, and just ignore the seat, it's squeaking like a bitch and it's really annoying me, but you know what, we're just gonna add that to the list of things today. Came back from Prague, not yesterday, the day before, so I'm 2 days back now. Yesterday was fun, trying to get back into the swing of things and getting things done. I have so much work to do in such a short period of time, and if I'm very red, that's probably why, because I've been trying to get done and it's coming 8 o'clock and I'm still nowhere near the end of my list, but it's okay. This is next. So if you're wondering why there's such a sparse supply of videos the past 2 months, that's why. It's a lot of work running your own company. But anyway, we'll get into the balance of it. So today I've seen Gwyneth Paltrow's home everywhere. I've tried to restrain myself from looking at pictures and videos of it. I seen her dining space and that was about it, because I was like, no, I'm not going to spoil the whole thing on myself. But that's what we're going to be doing today. So without further ado, that very exposed. I'm sure it'll figure itself out. No, that looks very white. Anyway, I'm sure it's fine. Without further ado, let's just jump into this.
Hi, Dee. Welcome to our home.
Miss Gwyneth, you're not going to do this to me today. This is just what I needed, because oh my goodness. God help if this was bad. I'm just going to say God help it, because my opinions would have been brutal because of the mood I'm in. But wow, I need to go back and watch that again, because I just need to take it all in. First of all, I love that wallpaper. Where'd you get it? Because I want to do that in a project like ASAP. I think I know where it's from, but I think I was trying to get prices on it, and I think it's very hard to get prices unless you're like a retailer, which is quite annoying, but I'm obsessed. I love it so much. Like the lights, the fire, that classical with the more contemporary, with the more, like, it's almost, the table's almost like futurism almost. It's really cool. Really, really like it. I just think it's absolutely beautiful. I just love the doors, love the curtains, love everything about it. There must be like a recessed light up here maybe. There's like a little gap, or maybe just vaults in, I don't know. But really cool. Love the little detail inside here as well, with that kind of herringbone kind of stone pattern, the paneling. Oh, gorgeous. Interesting. Not what I was expecting at all, but I'm intrigued. I don't know how I feel about these tiles. I mean, right now, I don't like them. I'm not going to lie. I don't like them, I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to lie, I don't like them. But, I don't know, I love the ladder system. I love these in kitchens. I think if you have the height, totally do that, because I think it looks really nice. Love the sink as well, like wow, gorgeous. Where was that? Oh, smack me in my face, because oh my goodness. I just got chills. Oh my goodness, this is scrumptious. Who designed this? Because I need to find them and I need to give them a big massive kiss, because wow. Oh, the lines on the floor, that kind of stone, it's a marble, I don't know what the that is, but like, oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. I've seen actually that done where it kind of curves out on Pinterest. Beautiful. Oh my goodness, that must have cost so much. Oh, and the art prints at the end, the fireplace, the couch is a velvet. It looks like velvet, so smooth against the more rougher textures. The balance, it's just gorgeous. The softness, it's absolutely exquisite. This is a piece of art right here. I just think that's absolutely gorgeous. And then we have this. I mean, I feel like it's the floor that's throwing it off. I don't know. There's something that's not clicking with this. It looks like when you're down in like the sewage kind of pipes. That's what this looks like. It's giving me that type of vibe. Not sure I feel about the lighting either, but I mean, it's cute. It's different. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my goodness. I love this so much. I love this so much. I love the lights. Like, where the fuck can I get the lights? Because I want the lights so badly. I just love when, like, that mix of, like, that old and new. Yeah, there is recessed lighting in here that shines up, which is absolutely exquisite. Just emphasizes that kind of feature, which is nice. That kind of vaulted almost. Oh, look, the stucco work. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely beautiful. I think this is gonna be my new favorite. Look at that mirror. Oh, this is too good. Thank you, Gwyneth. Oh, yes. Love this fireplace wall. I think that's absolutely spectacular. I love that style of paneling. And I've been trying so hard to get into projects, but people are very hesitant about it. Is that marble on the front? Wow, this is just money. Oh my goodness, this is so exciting. Oh, look, the marble in the front of it. Gosh, I can't even begin to imagine what that costs, because oh my god, what a spectacular detail. I just love that, again, because it's such like a traditional style of almost like display unit, kind of where you display your fine chinas and things in that kind of country style with the kind of almost like brass pipe, and then the kind of slatting, the V paneling at the back, and then the stone at the front. It's just a beautiful mix of materials and layers and colours. I just love it. Favorite room. Oh my goodness, I think that room's absolutely spectacular. I just love this bar unit. Like, oh my goodness, with the is that it already? Oh my goodness, that was the fastest 12 minutes of my life. I want to see more. I want to see the bedrooms. I want to see everything. I want to see the wardrobe. I want to see all the bathrooms. I want to see that butler's pantry that I saw back here. In here, I want to see what's in this section over here. Come on, Gwyneth, don't just tease us. I want to see it all. I want to see everything. Wow, I mean, what a home. What a home. Oh my goodness, everything is just spectacular. Now obviously those things I do differently myself, but that's just obviously personal taste. I feel like everyone's going to feel the same way about every home. There's also going to be rooms like the dining room. Sheer perfection. The entryway, gorgeous. The kitchen, I feel like because it's such a personal space, obviously people have their own kind of preferences of what they prefer. I love the idea of the open fireplace in the kitchen. I think I'll probably steal that idea myself because I really like that idea. Not the biggest fan of the worktop, but again, that's just a personal opinion. Love that you can see everything. There's those glass presses. I love that. Love the flooring, the herringbone flooring. Is it herringbone or chevron flooring? I can't really make it out. It looks like chevron actually, sorry. The herringbone is when it overlaps. Love the plate display unit. Oh my goodness, that was absolutely gorgeous. It's so expensive. I can feel the wealth through the screen because every detail is so specific and so well executed and so well thought out that to do that you need an insane budget, and I think they've done an exceptional job, and I'm obsessed, and it makes me excited to be able to do my own home because it's just absolutely beautiful. I'm actually in love. And look at the two fridges, and I'm gonna stop talking because I could talk about this home forever. I love the entryway. Kind of reminds me of like Castletown House. It's like a Georgian, very famous Georgian building here in Ireland. The kind of black and white checkered floors, white panelled walls. Now in Castletown House there's a lot of stucco work on the ceilings and stuff, which is very reminiscent on the wallpaper in the bathroom of that very Georgian style stucco work, which is very beautiful, and I thought it was at first. Obviously stucco work is probably a lot more expensive, but I mean that could have been cool to do, to we dive into that kind of Georgian kind of aspect. But I'm obsessed. I love it so much. But I'm dying to hear your opinions out down below, so tell me what you thought in the comment section below. Did you love it as much as I did? Did you hate it? Like, what's the vibe? I want to know what your opinions are. And with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.